Not good morning. We have a crying baby. We have a crying baby.
Just had a crying baby.
Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the Snuti stream. I'm going to go in or check on our little one.
A little one, yeah. I just also
we had a little long time getting ready.
Yeah, I'm also just going to turn the sound off on stuff. Yeah. How are you all? Hello, Nick. Hello, Risser. And hello, Dan. How you all doing? We haven't got everything set up today, so like the chat isn't working properly. I'm sorry about that. Krista didn't do the setup beforehand. And hello, Matthias. Did I say that right? It's morning on your side. So you're actually joining us for the first time, or have you joined us on a few of our streams on Twitch? Baby, that's good, yes. Well, we actually put him down about like 10 minutes ago, and it's taken us 10 minutes to get started, so yeah. You can say Matthew, it's totally okay. Okay. No Snuti emotes. I'm so sorry, Nick. Has YouTube got any emotes yet? Not sure. Hello, Maureen. Hello. Well, is this doggo cam working? Because I can just start off with doggo cam also just waiting around. Dan's doing great. Database work is going so fast today. I'm fine. That's awesome. I am going to go onto doggo cam and give doggo cuddles because we don't have redeemable doggo cuddles here. Did that work? Yeah.
Hello, Winky. Hello. Hi. Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Snuti stream. This morning is called Baby Stuff Happening, so it's a bit, it's a bit disruptive. But we're gonna do some game dev soon. This is just a cute intermission from me. Winky.
Oh, you're so chill today, Winky. Yeah. Morris is there somewhere, but at least doggo cam works. Yes, that's the best thing. I've run Twitch too. Hello. Doggo cuddles are important. Yes, they are. They are very important. And I do. Yeah, I don't know which button I'm supposed to press, so I'll just wait until Chris is back. But at least I got dog cam. So this one. Yeah, there you go. We've had a busy day today, so it's been like all over the place. But we can go through what we are working on, which is the ice cream boat, which is gonna be what did we name the game again? Oh no, Chris just left a little photo on. There you go. There you go. Sunday sailing. That was it. We came up with a name earlier today, and Krista put it up on Twitter, and I was just feeling like, okay, I forgot what you posted. So whilst we have this intermission, whilst baby tries to go to sleep again, which probably won't happen, go grab some tea, some coffee whilst you're waiting, and I'm just gonna play the game and run around in an ice cream boat. Is that a working title or a final title? Well, it's a working title for the time being, but we're kind of hoping it might be the final title, but we'll see how it goes. What we're doing... Oh, Chris has locked the camera. Oh no, he moved the camera off the character. No. Chris has been taking screenshots all morning, so he has broken a little bit of the game, I think. Where is my character? There's the character. Oh, he's here. Has Chris disconnected the camera off him? I have to wait. Yeah, I finally made it! Hello, Honeybee, how you doing? Yeah, we decided to just experiment a little bit with streaming a bit on YouTube. Oh, there you go. There he is. Oh, Krista was stuck in the scene view. That was why. There you go. So I'm just gonna go into maximize and play. And here we go. Looks a bit like hazy. See, this is the ice cream boat, and this is that little beach we made last week on Saturday. Oh, I really like it. It's really comfortable. I want to be on this beach. These really cool waves. And there's my boat. I think Chris might have managed to get the little one asleep. He's at home. Hello. What are you doing at home? Hello. And there's still Henrik the snoozer. Hello, Henrik. Need ice cream? Yeah, you'll get some. Oh, Christopher forgot to pull changes, I think, because the character isn't supposed to be sliding anymore. I don't know whether he'll allow me to do that on stream or not. I think I'm actually gonna do it. See if there's any changes. The reason why Krista isn't here, like, you know, I'm missing, you know, I gotta put like a dotted line around, you know, where Christy would be, as he's trying to, put the baby to sleep, so. And I think it just worked.
Hello. Maybe it worked. Talking about timing today. It's been a chaotic day for us.
It's been a chaotic day, yeah.
Very glad to have you all guys here. I heard you guys been quite busy having a chat.
Yeah.
Just discard that.
Discard that.
Yeah. And he's still awake. I think we just gotta go into Christer and Claire mode.
Oh yeah.
Because he doesn't
Baby doesn't
want
want to be. No.
Doesn't want to snooze. So yeah, we have a bit of a strange setup today. The chat is broken. That's why we're trying to get ready for such a long time.
Yep.
I realized that a bit last minute. I tried to fix things yesterday, but I forgot that.
And the little one, the little intern, has decided he wants to have input on the game. Unity, do your thing. Come on. It's working. He'll probably snooze on me later.
He will probably snooze on me right here.
He probably will.
I'm back in business.
Yes.
Just with extra luggage on my shoulder.
Actually.
Yeah.
I just pulled the changes without the characters yet. It's sliding. Zeded.
Oh yeah.
Because I noticed it's still sliding.
So I hope you guys are all having a lovely day. And Garrett, Manisha can be in here too. Yes, we're streaming at the more reasonable time for people over in the States and that part of the world.
And rest
those time zones.
And rest.
Yeah. That's awesome. Thank you so much for hanging out there, guys. It's really fun that we finally have a name for the game, as you've been saying. Sunday sailing, as long as it doesn't cause too much confusion, we hope.
Yeah, because one of the things Christer was talking about was that Sunday and, the day of the week Sunday is a little bit, confusing.
If you only hear it said out loud, you don't know which spelling we're talking about. Yeah, that sounds in the corridor.
Oh, it sounds in the corridor. I thought it was just like,
We have neighbors.
Do we?
Yep.
I'm just picking up the blueberries.
No, okay, so Z has also been working on the raycasting, so it's easier to pick up the blueberries. So it was challenging to get all of them, like the ones which were already picked were blocking. And yeah, see, you can select bananas, yeah.
Select bananas. I don't know what my inventory has. 12 bananas and 25 blueberries.
Oh yes.
And 100 strawberry surprises.
You are rich on strawberry surprises.
Yeah, I couldn't remember the title of the game earlier. I was like, whoops.
Well, it's still fresh, isn't it? Still fresh.
Gotta follow along sneakily, otherwise boss will be mad. Just say you're learning some game dev at the same time, and that's important for your job, right?
And Maui Game Studio, hello! How you doing, Joseph? Glad to see you here on YouTube as well. We're experimenting, trying some different stream schedules and platforms.
Yes, we're trying to stream a little bit more often, and we just thought we'd experiment a little bit with YouTube because we posted a poll the other day, and a lot of people wanted to see our stream here, so we thought it might be really nice.
But you know what? That guy there, he's trying to go sunbathing.
He's trying to go sunbathing.
I'm pretty sure, but yeah. Z, there's a bug. I think it's the parasol blocking him or something. Why Z's not here? Well, that's a first.
Haha, Doggo! Yeah, that's a Winky. And hello! Is it said Sumed?
Sumed! Hello!
You'll always have to spell it out though, so Martin might be a bit of a challenge, but just make sure that when you talk about it, it's always readable as well. Yes.
Yeah,
and for those who don't actually know the pitch, I don't know where it is.
Oh, yes.
It's in the clips. You can see my really cool pitch right here.
Imagine Zelda exploration and cooking meets the ice cream boat. An ice cream cooking and maritime exploration game where you have a boat, an ice cream machine, and a dream.
Now we just need to add Sunday sailing to the end of that, and I'll be fine. Yeah. All right. So, excuse me, dude, but if you want to go sunbathing, you're not supposed to put yourself in this. Yeah. So what was our plan for today, Christer?
So I really want to have a way to control the sun, because I take a lot of screenshots these days for the game, and I like to be able to move the sun while playing the game. This is important coding. So I was messing around with it yesterday to code that we can move the sun, but I didn't finish the implementation. I was wondering if we could just finish that off.
Yep. I'm just gonna jump in here and do.
Yeah, you're not reaching that steering wheel, baby.
I know. There you go.
Much better, much better. Let's see how that looks from the front.
Just do it. There you go. Hello. I am now the ice cream boat.
That is hilarious.
Everyone loves the interest. Plans today? Oh, nothing. I'm just gonna command the sun. What's the little... There you go. I'm just gonna take a jump.
That's exactly how we roll here.
Bye-bye.
What? That's a first.
I think I might be still controlling it. I'm not sure.
You probably are. Yeah? Go on. You gotta reverse.
I'm trying to reverse, but it's not pulling itself out.
It's gotta wiggle it a little bit, Claire. It's like an RC boat now.
It's like an RC boat. Let me just try and go back onto the boat and try and pull it out again. Come on, you.
Oh, that is hilarious.
Oh, no. Oh, man. I can't even control the cart well enough.
Our game is not buggy at all.
It's a prototype. Okay, I'm just going to do it again. What? Yes, the ice cream game. The best pitch ever.
You scared a child awake. You're sleeping on me.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay. He's like,
Yeah.
what's going on, guys?
I just want to join in. Okay, there you go. By the way, we still got the blueberries respawning. Bye-bye, Mr. Going to sail to sunbathe. So you're going to control the sun.
And we just had a really fun meeting with 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 from our Discord. He's planning to do some experimental music exploration with us. In terms of just like finding a mood for the game and like seeing where we want the music and how the music should communicate different things with the player. So that was quite a fun thing to chat about earlier today.
I'm just going to... Yeah.
So a little shout out to 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪. Yeah, you got the boat now. Success. You're trying to replicate the bug, are you?
I'm trying to replicate the bug, yeah, but I don't know. It's only if you stick your little moose antlers in it. Okay, fine. I can't jump in water. This is no fun, man.
You should be able to press interact along the edge of the boat and get back up. No? E?
Nope.
Not E. Not you press it.
There you go. Got it.
Wrong key. Yeah, okay. We haven't quite figured out the controls yet. Even Claire doesn't know the controls, so neither do I.
No, I don't seem to be able to control the boat anymore. No!
Are you sure you're pressing the right key?
Oh, I'm pressing F, wasn't it?
Yeah. I saw you pressing G on the keyboard.
Oh yeah, that was right. Oh, it's still going.
Okay. So now you're like in RC mode.
Turn to the left. No! I fell off the wall.
So.
Oops.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, there's one down there fishing. In the depths of the world. So I
Should we do some coding?
Yeah, let's do some coding. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be opening. Have you got it open?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We will right click the Visual Studio.
Visual Studio, here you go. An ice cream boat, there you go. Is it on the wrong screen, I bet? Yes, it's definitely on the wrong screen. Hello. Do you want to sit down next to us, Guardian? I don't think he wants to snooze land today.
It was almost snoozing.
Almost snoozing.
It snoozed for 5 minutes.
It's a record of 5 minutes snooze. Yeah. You got rid of the little the paper thing you had earlier on. You really like that.
Paper thing. Oh.
Yeah, you got rid of it. I was like upset about
what
that.
the people think is trash, baby think is gold.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Right. So in our code, I was thinking about. Let's see if I can find even. We don't have it open.
Oh, we don't. Hello. You seem to be sleepy.
Now we have a can't hear it drinking water, so don't mind the
weird sound.
The weird sounds.
The sounds like a cow. It's just our cow. Yeah, I know. It makes really weird sounds, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's got so much cute hair. He's so cute.
So this is the time control script. It's quite a simple class. Yeah. It keeps the hours of the day, etc. And here it's doing day progression of the day. And I was thinking, if we take the keyboard numpad and do plus and minus, it'd be nice if we move the sun back and forward.
I guess it's only going to be for debugging?
It's for me taking screenshotting.
Of course, for screenshotting.
Yes, because the whole theme of the game is moose in the sunset, which is a Norwegian expression for things which are a bit kitschy.
What's kitschy mean?
Okay,
Hottie?
Oh, wow, that's a good one.
It's a good one.
Okay, seems like we don't have the English vocabulary to describe this, so we're just gonna carry on.
Just gonna keep going.
Okay.
So what was it that we called it wrong? Was it screenshot? Screenshot driven development, I think it was.
Yeah, screenshot driven development, indeed.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to be doing. Screenshots are very important, indeed they are. So I understood we can do, because this is the old input system in Unity, and that did obviously not work, but we're using the new input system.
Yes.
So we can use the keyboard.
It's a new one, is it?
Yeah, keyboard, and then we need to find the numpad. Pad.
One key?
plus key.
Plus key.
And then is pressed, because while it's pressed we can progress it forward, and then while it's unpressed, or the minus is pressed, we can progress it backwards.
Tacky. That's the word. Tacky.
Hey, thank you. Yeah, kitsch, tacky. There we go.
Distasteful.
Well, it's tasteful for some people. Some people like it tacky.
The new input system is good.
This is as much experience as I have with it. This is line of code right here, because
Seems less.
C's done all the implementation. No, because you're actually supposed to interact with it in a different way.
Oh, really?
You know, you're supposed to go in here. He agrees. And then
the new intern.
oh no, it's not in here. I forgot.
Where is it?
It's input.
Awesome SFX, yes.
Open input set.
Oh,
No, what is it?
That doesn't look like it.
It's one of these. Just click on it until it opens up. So that one?
Is
Yes,
that one?
that one.
Okay, it's that one.
Which opens this window. I haven't figured out how to open it otherwise. Probably some way. Where you set up action maps. So here's gameplay, where you have move and jump, and then the jump has like here, which is gamepad input as keyboard with space, and you hook it up and has the listen thing. Except the listen thing never works for me. It doesn't
It doesn't listen to any button.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
The one with the lightning. Oh yeah, okay, I didn't realize it had lightning on. Yeah. Well,
Exactly. Esther knows what we're talking about because she's been using it. Anyway, that's how you're supposed to interact. But since this is debug and it's not big deal, I'm just gonna code it out like that.
I love that on YouTube you can put the playback speed to more than 1x to catch up, and it switches to 1x when you've caught up and you're super low latency.
I
the benefits
love
of
that as well. And we got our stream playback as well. I think the latency is about 1 second or something. It's lower than Twitch almost, because we can choose 3 different latency modes in YouTube. I went with the ultra low one.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're feeling real time today.
Oh yeah.
You're right, little one. Yeah, I want to be destroying baby gyms again.
Yeah, you do want to be the destroyer of baby gyms, don't you? Yeah. That's what you've been doing of late.
Yeah. Do you
I don't
want to
know.
see your daddy making some sun? Controlling the sun with his fingers?
Yeah. Oh, you're so sweet.
So here's a piece of code we need, but I don't know how fast this will be. So we just start to put in some magic numbers, you know?
Oh
Yeah, that's what we do around here.
Always using magic numbers. Numbers. No variable, just numbers.
Can we at least put it like to 1 instead of 0.1?
No,
That's extreme numbers.
let's figure out what is extreme first, shall we?
And hello, Walter.
Hey!
How you doing? I smell.
Do you smell Odin, Inspector Indeed? Welcome
Yes.
to the Snuti stream. I hope you're enjoying yourself here, because we're having a spiffing time. So is this... It's so freaky they don't have faces. This moose over here. See if we can control the sun now. I will put it between my antlers and summon the sun. Okay, the minus goes forward and plus goes forward, but that's working.
Are you trying to do a number 2?
Probably because the minus has a plus and the plus has a plus. Fixed it.
When in doubt, use Sophie.
Play with baby, do game dev, enjoy life, have a cup of tea, and
control the sun.
control the sun. You just gotta place it between your antlers, otherwise it won't work.
And full diaper in 3, 2, 1. I don't smell anything.
Actually, I was
And he
worried.
normally smiles when he
I was
does
worried
number
earlier when I
2.
came into it. I was like, seems a little bit fishy here. Oh, the antlers, the sun is between the antlers. How you can control the sun. Oh, look at that. See, I can do time lapses now.
Ah, that's what. This isn't really for the game at all. This is just for Kirster. Control the sun.
Oh, I pressed the lock button on the computer. It's right. I have a lock key on the keyboard, which is right next to thingy. Did we drop?
No, I don't think we did.
Yeah, bitrate low. No, okay, it's working.
I think it's still working.
Okay,
I just like control.
sorry. Press lock key on the computer.
Control the sun. That's why I did game dev in the end to fuel my god complex.
Check this out. And there it's morning. This is evening. That's morning.
Oh, neat! Now
And
I can control.
I really dislike the what do you call it? The camera, that it does that.
Yeah.
Should we fix that? Because I know how to do it.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
Because often I take in screenshots, I'm like, why is the camera doing this? This is all about like preparing the game to making screenshots and GIFs easier. But you know what we should do first, Claire?
Disconnect. That was what our little intern was saying.
Work already.
I was saying it wrong. We don't have any like brother cuddles to be reviewed.
Oh, why is that? Oh yeah, because
We're on Twitch.
people just have to type it in chat.
Yeah.
It's special day here. We don't have a working chat either. And no dog treats, but you guys, you know what to do.
Do you want to go destroy baby James? He wants to destroy baby James. I am going to go into the baby gym area.
Should we switch? No, you commit this.
Oh, right, okay.
'Cause I've done my piece now.
Oh, really? I thought you were gonna do the other part. Enabled. Oh, your alt key is stuck again.
Switch top right button.
Top right button.
Yeah, press that one. No, one right. That one. Yeah. Press these ones. Yeah, so now it's good. Okay. Try now.
Okay, try now. Enabled. Control. Oh, the sun. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Is that what you wanted?
Yes, that's exactly what I wanted.
That's good. That's good. I did it.
Yeah.
I did it.
My computer has a tendency to get the alt key locked up, and I have no idea why, but I made a script to fix it, and I have it on the stream deck. And I usually use a child to summon the fix.
Yes.
And then everything goes fine.
Yeah. I'm baby gymming. I'm going to the gym. I'm going to the baby gym. Destroyed baby gyms.
Okay.
Our little one has started to learn to try and crawl, but fails abysmally.
Re-enable camera. Re-enable camera.
Yeah, I can play off screen. So, time for a new keyboard. No. The keyboard is fine.
Windows.
just Windows. Add smoothing with a curve, says Nick to the sun. And hello, JK.
Claire just walks off. Bye.
No, bye. No, I start. I'm gonna do destroy big gyms.
Yes.
I'm doing destroy big gyms. So I like destroy big gyms. There you go. Here we come again. I'll just take him out of this.
Okay, we're back in business, guys. I'm sorry for so much back and forth today. Seems like afternoon streams are challenging. We knew it was going to be challenging.
Well, we wanted to do it this morning, but
yeah, we were planning to do a morning stream, but we had life happening, so you know.
Life happening?
Yep.
You mean I woke up in the middle of the night at 2 o'clock?
That's part of life happening. 2 o'clock, baby feeding, and snoozing in the morning. So our island is looking quite swish. Last time we were streaming on Twitch, we made this island, but it was unpopulated. Now we have carrots on it.
Ew, carrots!
Very tasty carrots.
Make sure to read the chat.
Stream with baby is always challenging, but you're managing quite well. Thank you, Nick. Parents' life, indeed, Esther. The island's looking a little bit empty in this section, and I dislike this texture so much. Why do we have this resolution on our texture?
Maybe you should have improved that.
I don't know. It's a prototype. Is that important?
If it bothers you, it's important.
I'm gonna try to look past it. We have more important pressing matters to do in our prototyping phase. One of the things is that we got the day and night cycle working, which should be affecting the NPC's behavior, so they would crave to buy ice cream during lunch times, things like that. Let's see, I'm getting some messages on Discord. And then my internet died. No, Nick! No, that was 30 minutes ago. Whichever. But I'm wondering, should I just place and populate this section of the island? Yes, because we want to make a
beach. We're gonna have a beach.
I remember now.
Yeah.
We can find the plan.
We need to bring up the plan. The plan is most important.
The last stream's plan. Here we go, found it. this right here.
He's fascinated right now, so I'm just gonna let him be. And I'm just gonna, scoot in here. And hello.
If anybody wonders what this is, that's boss chair.
That's boss chair.
It's used for baby feeding.
Baby feeding, yeah. And it was used for when I was,
Pregnant.
And I needed a better chair, so...
Yeah. And if anybody is here for the first time, please let us know, and we will give you a nice warm welcome and introduction and tell you what on earth we're doing.
Yes.
Because we haven't done that today. But
no, we haven't. But we did do our little pitch. Our 20-second pitch.
The 20-second pitch.
Imagine Zelda exploration and cooking meets the ice cream boat. An ice cream cooking and maritime exploration game where you have a boat, an ice cream machine, and a dream.
Yeah, I think that says like everything. Yeah, definitely. After you heard that, you're like, yeah, I know what these guys are doing.
And ironically, that was just like, Chris was like, oh, Claire, can you do the pitch? I was like, yeah, sure, we'll do the pitch. So I did the pitch first, Chris did the pitch second, and then Chris was like, oh, we need something more like enthusiastic. So I decided to just make that first.
Do the wonky one, I said. And then she did the wonky one.
And that was what the wonky one was.
I did speed it up under 50%, but it's even fun without the speed.
Yeah.
So
we put it on the other day so the little intern could listen to it.
I put it on loop.
And he loved it. So we're just going to roll with that when he's, upset or something.
It's a bit cool seeing this old planning picture, because then you can see all the work we've done.
Yeah.
If I manage to navigate a little bit out here. Right, if I do this.
Oops.
You see, we got the beach up.
Got a beach up.
We have
the rocks.
the reefs, rocks. I didn't place any rocks further out. Oh yeah, we did actually. But we want a second beach over here.
Yeah. I also like the fact that we've got the rocks up there as well. I haven't seen them on my version.
Did you not see the screenshot I've been posting around?
No, I haven't, no. No, I haven't really.
Right.
I haven't been I've been in another world the last few days. I think.
Welcome.
I feel like it.
So over on our Discord, so you guys, I can't press the Discord button. It's discord.gg/Snuti, because we're a verified server.
I can just write it in here, actually.
Look at this, Claire. I posted up this screenshot.
Oh, that was it. I'm just gonna.
And you can see the lovely view.
Discord.gg /Snuti. Is that one? I think it's that. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. There you go. Got it. Is it link? Oh, it actually links. Oh, yay. This is awesome. Our little one is eager about other stuff.
So yeah, there's that. But anyway, we should be building a beach. We decided it was going to be here because it would be kind of nice. So this island on the left actually contains carrots, which is
just carrots.
Yeah.
Just carrots.
Just carrots.
Just carrots.
And there's nowhere else in the game, so you had to go there for carrots.
Wow.
What? We could have little.
It's carrot patch island.
Yeah, you could have little bunnies running around here.
Yeah, it'd be Bunny Island.
Yeah.
We can have Bunny Island.
Thought I put some more up here.
You can call all the bunnies Sophia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a little toy bunny we call Sophia.
Yeah. You could have names for everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, wasn't it the other day we saw Z posted on Discord that Mike has a potential girlfriend, and if people don't know who Mike is, this is Mike.
Hello, Mike.
I can't do.
How you doing today, Mike?
Hello, this is Mike.
Come in focus.
This is Mike. This is Mike with a nice little beard.
I'll find his girlfriend, all right.
And yes, he now has a girlfriend, but due to current restrictions, he has to do it a bit, long distance.
This is a relationship right now. Yeah. Thank you for contributing. Is this Z's mic and he dialed it up in... Oh, wait a second. Is it Lynn's?
I think it is. And hello, Z!
Hey!
This is so weird.
Emojis! We need the Snuti emojis on YouTube.
Yeah, why do they not have any?
This is lacking. I mean,
they just have YouTube ones. They don't have any custom ones?
I don't know. But, yeah, so for everyone joining in right now, the chat is broken. YouTube is not working properly because we didn't configure it properly. First time streaming here. We're learning. It'll probably be better next time. But
it's got YouTube ones, but maybe we need to make it.
Yeah, that's Lynn's mic. And also her idea, make... Okay, that's cool. So his girlfriend, Lynn, yeah, that's her mic. Cool. And for people just joining in our Discord, you're very welcome. Awesome having you here. Thank you for dropping by. Activate in Distance Spectre. Yes, I guess that's how we're supposed to do this.
You can make custom emojis for YouTube. but I'm not sure how. How to add... Oh, I don't know. We're gonna have to research it more. I'm going to research it. I'm going to bring
make
it.
a beach in the meantime while you're busy researching. I think if I use the set height...
Hello, JK! Hi with caps. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm gonna put Mike.
Oh yeah, Mike's still hanging out a bit intimate.
He will, yeah, he was. YouTube streaming better than Twitch for game dev?
I think Twitch is awesome.
I think Twitch is awesome.
And why we're here on YouTube, we just to diversify a little bit. So some days a week we're thinking to try out YouTube, and some days a week we're gonna be on Twitch.
Yep. So we're hoping to like increase, the amount of time we do streaming. It's a bit complicated when you have a little one. At the moment, he is currently in his baby gym, enjoying some, gym membership. It's the only gym membership or gym that's open at the moment. So,
yep, that's true.
Home gym for the win. You need to be monetized and add membership before you can have emojis. That's not fun.
YouTube has some strict monetization requirements. So okay,
Twitch is a bit easier. Twitch is easier to kind of get started, with streaming. And I think we prefer Twitch. But we're just experimenting a little bit with YouTube.
It's a first day on YouTube. Let's not miss it.
It's our first time, yeah. That's true.
And we don't have our overlay working.
No, everything's just like not working yet. So that kind of sucks. I got a little one on the way. Oh, that is awesome. Lost in Time Games.
Oh, congratulations. That's amazing.
When's it due?
Yeah. We're not live on ourselves yet.
Oh, I love that.
This beach is looking not very smooth. Let's fix that.
Dinner time for me. Just wanted to pop by and say hi. See you later.
Have a good one.
Enjoy your dinner time.
Say hi to the family.
Especially your girlfriend.
Yes.
August the 8th. Oh, that is awesome.
Ooh.
It's not too far away then.
This is going to be your first one. So I remember going through that process ourselves. It was grueling. And we managed to launch a game right before he came.
Yeah, that was true, yeah.
We didn't know which pip was going to ship first. It was the pip inside or the pip outside.
And he came a week and... He came 8 days late. Wasn't it? Yeah.
Definitely going to take your advice and not release the game 2 weeks before, baby. Yeah. The Lost in Time Games. I don't recognize your username. I got a feeling that I know you better maybe by a different nickname, so let me know.
What game are you making?
We?
No, what is Lost in Time Games?
Sorry, I thought you were reading somebody's input.
No. Well, we're just making a beach. What beach are we making?
We're making the Torgersen beach, which is not realistic at all because there's no beach on that side of the island. But we're not here for realism, are we?
He's got into the phase where he likes to talk and have input.
So I'm going to switch into smooth height.
I love how I'm suddenly tiny all of a sudden because I'm on the long chair. I think the intern recognizes the name. Yeah, I think so. Okay, I am going to go and see the intern. Hello, the intern. How you doing?
I found you all on Reddit. I'm making a roguelike shooter on Rails. Oh, that's cool. Hey, our Reddit post is making it. We haven't posted much on Reddit lately. I posted on devlogs, our latest video. But that's really nice. Glad to hear that.
That's awesome.
But roguelike shooter on Rails, that's quite rare. So it's like you don't know where you're going because it's a roguelike. And yeah. But that sounds like quite a unique concept.
Let us go and put you onto destroying some baby gems. You ready to destroy some baby gems? There you go. Destroy baby gem. Oh, baby bird. Yeah. Yeah.
Trying to like make it relatively like shallow. That's what is my attempt here. But not too shallow. Gonna have. There we go. That looks a bit nicer. I'm now just gonna run a smooth over it.
Oh, it makes really cute sounds.
I think that's quite cool. Now I'm gonna try to See if we can redo the
What is everybody up to today?
ocean cache. Up to today, how is your Wednesday going?
Wednesday afternoon, morning, evening. The dark night. Yeah.
There we go. That looks a bit better. Now we got the shoreline. Should we have some waves? No, I don't think this beach doesn't need waves.
No, that one doesn't need waves.
And I think that the waves on this beach is definitely way too violent.
Too extreme.
Yeah, I noticed that afterwards. So
See you, Maraca, look.
we need to turn down the weight of this one to like 0.25 or something. So it's like,
Do you want to shake it?
yeah, now you have like a little bit of waves. So that's very cool. We're using the Crest Ocean system asset for this game actually. Very satisfied with it. It's very powerful, where you can select like different areas of the world. So like right this little square here has like ocean waves hitting in towards the shore, and you can control what they look like and they interact with the physics correctly and everything. That's like the only major asset we're going to be using in our game, I think. Because we
So we
did,
want to have a good asset for the ocean, because that's going to be like the main thing.
yeah, such an important part of the game. But obviously we're going to have quests and everything, and we did try out lots of different assets for making quests or having quests implemented and story and dialogue and all that, but ended up tossing them all out, and Z's been programming them from scratch. Like the House of the Dead shooting arcade game. Like Star Fox, but bullet hell. Oh, right. Like Star Fox from Nintendo 64 is what I'm thinking about when you say that. That is cool.
What are you up to, though? You're just trying to be super cute.
I am going to paint in some sand, I think, otherwise it doesn't feel like a beach.
Just blue eyes, yeah.
Paint texture.
And you
That's a bit of a big brush, isn't it?
yeah.
See, we're gonna paint in from sand. This section is sand. Bit of a hard edge, but we need to get some rocks in there to really get the right feel, I think.
Yeah. Oh, you're such a smiley, happy baby.
How's it going over in the baby gym?
It's going good. He's shaking his maracas. A maraca, at least.
Glad to hear it.
Yeah.
Lull at Claire in the background.
Lots of wheeze.
All the wheeze.
Yeah. Others. Yeah. Little intern loves his wheeze.
I think I'm just gonna copy all the assets from the other beach over.
And then remove them, maybe?
Yeah, so
Oh, why you got milk all over Sophia? Yeah.
it's our son. You know he got milk everywhere.
He gets milk everywhere, yeah.
Okay, I got my assets. Hopefully. Got a bit worried. Why is some of them orange and some of them blue? Is that mean that I didn't select the proper
It's all over Sophie.
route? I don't want to select the inside of them.
If Sophia smells of milk, you know why.
Get all of those. Duplicate. Grab them.
I think I'm gonna take that mark.
Move them over to the beach. Oh wow, I brought a sailboat with me. Proper big one as well. That was
Big one?
Yep, I brought a
Oh,
big
no, you should make like a mini tiny one, like a model boat.
well, we do have that already. Let's see. Ah, center, global. There. Yeah. Oops, wrong direction. Flat plane.
Hippity hoppity, as Danny would say.
Hippity hoppity gonna steal these little sunbathe beds from one side of the beach to the other. Here we go. Look at that. Let's get them grounded. There we go. This sailboat was not intentional to bring.
Marcus. Very important things.
Should we have the sailboat?
Hello, Shy. How you doing?
Hey! Sorry, I didn't see that in chat.
Chris is not in chat today. He's not really working very well with his chatness.
Yes.
Chattiness.
And I'm sorry for those tuning in as well that our chat is non-functioning on screen. So it's just a blue box that way. Yeah.
That way? That way? That way, there you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, you know what I'm going to bring as well? I'm going to bring some docs.
Are you guys going to be using localization solution of some sort? Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most certainly we are. But which one and how?
Yeah.
We are still figuring out.
Mm-hmm.
Uncertain.
Yeah.
Shall I go and attend to the child?
No, it's fine.
It's fine.
I was going to talk about localization, but I think Chris is allowed to do that.
No, you can talk about localization.
We've been testing quite a lot of different like localization options. Originally we were going to do it with quests
And dialogue.
and dialogue, but that didn't work out so well.
That would be using Yarn now.
Yeah, we're using Yarn, which has like localization, but obviously for the UI we are considering to try out Unity's inbuilt localization feature, which we found out has apparently. Because we have tried some other ones and we didn't quite like the localization.
We also considered to use L2,
Yes, was it L2?
wasn't it?
I think it was L2.
I2?
Or I2, I don't know, it has a weird name, which is on the Unity Asset Store, that we might use for localization of things like UI and everything else, but we're going to experiment a bit with it, because we need to have it in both Norwegian and in English. So yeah, and we want to have it in other languages in the future.
So we're going to localize from the beginning, except we're still in the beginning.
I'm new to Unity and looking forward to learning a little by watching you guys. That is awesome. We're still noobing out in Unity, but if you we don't have the link here.
Yeah, but you know the link.
I don't know the link. I don't
It's
know.
snuti.net/gamedevtv or GDTV.
GDTV, yeah. We learned a lot of Unity from gamedev TV, which we are affiliated with, and
You will get 85% of
85%.
your order if you use our link, and we highly recommend them because we learned so much about Unity by using GameDev TV. And
was
you
it
can check-
GTTV?
Yeah, snuti.net/GDTV.
I think this is it. I don't know whether it works.
We don't have our macros set up in YouTube streaming, so bear with us.
Yeah, there you go. That's it. That worked. Pro streamer TM. Yeah, thank you. As long as he's having fun, we're having fun. That is good. Well, I'm going to take over my baby gymming with him, and Chris is going to continue doing things. Oh, Nick has lots of experience with Unity's system for localization. If you need help with that, and if you use Unity's beta thing, you will. That is awesome.
Alright, yeah, the
you
beta
should,
thing. I
like-
heard people have problems with that one.
Yeah.
Recently, it was like, hey, anybody, I saw it in our Discord.
We're going to take over the baby gymming. And... Baby jam.
I'm back, guys.
The baby jam. Let's go special discount right now. All you want cuddles from your mummy venins. Yeah.
And Shamaran, sorry, I can't say your name. You can also drop by our Discord, just linked now, because there's a lot of experienced people there to help each other out and share what you're working on, get input, and learn from each other. Did you start your career as game developers, or where did you start? Now that is a good story indeed. Story time. Once upon a time, there was two students who had no clue what they were doing in life. But they finished their studies in Wales. One was Norwegian and one was from Wales, which was a lady.
Which was a lady.
Yes.
It was a lady.
And it was like, hey, let's go back to Norway. We're gonna go make some games for mobile. It was back in 2012, and it's like, yeah, the App Store is blowing up, and everyone's making lots of money off games. It's such a good idea. We'll pull it off. So we were making games for like 2 years, and we got nowhere. We did not manage to ship anything, but didn't manage to launch anything because we were using Corona SDK and Lua, and our education wasn't in game dev. Mine was in 3D animation with some programming, and Claire was
multimedia.
multimedia with some programming. So yeah, we were not able to ship and keep our own deadlines. And Claire did the art, I did programming, and we realized all the art was finished, but programming was not finished. So when
we didn't have an editor, so that made things a bit easier, harder.
Yeah, when you work in Corona, it's the case like all code. It's not, you don't have like Unity. But yeah, so that went like pretty poorly. We then did a lot of web development. We continued living with my parents, and yeah, made a Snuti business work on that, and now making reading campaigns and stuff. But in 2019, we started our game development back up again, and this time we did it different. First thing we did was go on gamedev TV, which is just linked. And we both sat down and learned the courses there on how to learn Unity, learn the C# programming. So Claire's programming C#, I'm programming C#. And we both doing Blender together, we both doing the art together, so we are much more easy to fill each other's role completely, because sometimes a game needs a lot of art, sometimes a game needs a lot of programming,
and sometimes it needs a lot of content.
Yeah, and it's much easier to balance your life that way when you have such a tiny team. And it's just a really long journey of trying to figure things out. And we have launched... We did launch The Life of Mr. Pips. It took us 1 year to finish that game. That was supposed to be a 2-month project. That's a recurring trend here. But at least we shipped it. And that's most important. That game is up on itch. It's about a little strawberry who's trying to find his place in life. And I think that turned out quite alright. And now we're on to our second game, which is going to be the Sunday Sailing. And it's about the ice cream boat here in... yeah, inspired by a Norwegian ice cream boat, basically. So yeah, long story, but a fun one, and we're still doing it. I'm gonna go back to my beach creation here, which looks a bit shoddy at the moment. Don't forget Carrots from Heaven and resale. Okay, Nick.
Okay.
You have a very valid point. There's obviously a lot more details in between there. Doing game jams is a great idea, and if you never heard about what a game jam is, it's basically a hackathon. All the people could describe it as. It's where you make a game in like 1 week and you're following a competition in a way where lots of people are participating, etc. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. I know we were collaborating together with Nick in the chat and Z. And on the game we're working on right now, we're actually 3 people. We're also Z working on this game with us. So yeah. Game jams can lead to big things in life. And C is a really good programmer to have on the team, but he's also good at everything. He's the best potato.
He's a potato, yeah.
And a potato is good at pretty much everything. He's such a good creative, whether it's art or anything. And I think that's a really valuable skill to have when you're doing a game development. It's like you need to be really flexible with how you work.
Yes. Mm-hmm. There's an obsession with trying to eat my foot.
Don't eat Claire Mamini's foot now.
Don't eat my foot.
No.
No. Yeah, my foot is not to be eaten.
He disagrees. He disagrees.
Yeah, I know.
And Mission Squeak. Actually, Mission Squeak was the first game we did in 2019, which was from my first game jam. We started actually off with the game jam after we did the courses on... from gamedev TV, and that's why we affiliated with gamedev TV. I was like, there's so often we're recommending them because they're how we got ourselves started in game development. Because there's so many things to learn. It's really good to have a course to like put you on the right direction and say like, yeah, this is actually the useful things, because you can just end up learning, you know, in the wrong direction in a way, or like not get the bigger picture if you're just focusing on one thing. Are you sure that's a baby?
Yeah, it is a baby.
So afternoons are a bit more chaotic here. I can turn on NVIDIA RTX to get the mic a little bit more quiet, maybe. Er du veldig glad å vite, ja så klapp. Okay.
He started clicking this now.
I turned on NVIDIA RTX. I don't know how much of that's going to come through. So we have some noise removal on the mic right now.
Yeah.
Z, the Potato Master, yes. What is also fun though is that Bizmaster was one who came up with a name for the game right now. So on the last Twitch stream.
There.
No, it's not in chat, but it's just saying Z Potato Master, so it reminded me of Bizmaster.
Bizmaster, Pun Master.
Our local Pun Master. Yeah. All credit for him for coming up with the name. All the people really liked the name as well when we were suggesting it around. So it seemed like a winner.
Oh, devil must milk. Oops, that was lots of milk.
Yes, in Norwegian, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Exactly. That's what's happening here. Hey, don't strike us for copyright. Well, that would be bad. I think that beach is looking a little bit tidier now.
We need to have like a stream beats, you know, little yeah.
Yeah, do you guys think that it's a bit quiet here without any music, or do you prefer to have your own music on the stream? Because I can put on some background music if you guys enjoy that from stream beats. Or you can just have it quiet with us talking instead, so you can listen to your own music.
Oh, damn, I'm also made. Oh my gosh, where's the smoke coming from?
Probably from the inside of the child.
Probably inside of the child.
He likes to make a lot of milk come from inside out. Yes. Stream breeds with kids songs. I think they don't think about that one yet. See, I'm going to suggest that to Harris.
Yeah, that'd be great. I think it'd be brilliant. I think it'd be brilliant. Then you can use it on, you know, YouTube Kids and everything. Yeah, I think so. Like, if you want, yeah. Are you falling asleep there? Or you just
I think this little island also need a dock, but I'm not going to have a regular. I'm going to have like a sideway dock.
A sideway dock?
Yes, you heard me.
Oh wow. Why don't you just have like a dock which goes out and then a little bit to the left as well? Like an angled one.
I want like this.
Yeah, but yeah, I guess.
But not that.
Not that.
What on earth do you mean
then?
then?
In the water. Okay, don't touch that now. No, you can't have that. No. You can have this instead. There you go.
That looks alright. I'm not sure why that island has a dock, because it doesn't have any buildings on it, but it has it now. We'll see how it goes. This is all the prototyping still. I just want the world to feel a little bit more populated, so it doesn't feel like you're... I think you'll give some life to the world if things look right, even though it's still in the testing phase, trying to figure out how the gameplay is going to run and loop and go.
Let's just give you a little bit of a clean up.
I need some more rocks. Bring me rocks.
Don't scratch. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yes, that's me. Mm-hmm.
Whichever you decide, yes. It'll be good when you stick to it, right?
Got some sharp nail, little boy.
That feels a bit oversized, doesn't it?
Hey. Yeah. You think that duck is pretty?
I like when the rocks kind of like stick through like a little bit like this. Feels a bit more realistic to me. But I don't quite like how the... some random asset pack. So we plan to obviously make our own rocks, and I really want the rocks to blend with the terrain so it doesn't have this really hard edge. Yeah, I haven't gotten around to making a shader for that yet. Oh, that feels like a path now. I like that. Maybe I'll make like a coastal path there. That'd be cool.
Oh no. Oh no. There you go.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Oh no.
Yes, we are making a coastal path.
We're making a coastal path. Are you drawing it on? No.
I'm rocking it on actually.
Oh my knees will get caught.
I love working in 3D because you can just like duplicate, rotate, fit, squash, stretch, and it's like, oh, looks great.
Do fine.
Do fine. Yep.
Right.
Have you tried Valheim? No, we've not played that game. Z's played it loads and been telling me about it and his experiences. I did watch yesterday Let's Game It Out's video on Valheim.
I haven't seen that.
And you haven't seen that. Oops, that's the wrong button. I mean to just... I'm not planning to watch that here obviously, but I just want to show you guys which YouTube channel I'm talking about. I'll link it in chat.
Oh, he makes us the funniest.
He makes absolutely the funniest gaming videos ever. He destroys all games he ever touches and spends so many hours making these videos, and they're incredible production quality in my opinion.
I love the ones where it's just like, and 24 hours later, my computer crashed.
He does take things to the extreme, doesn't he? But yeah, I recommend his video on Valheim for it.
Are you going to take the Red Little Ladybird?
GDVC is having a game jam starting Friday. I don't think I could take a week off from a game though. Week-long jams are nice because you can just work a couple of hours a day in the evenings besides your normal work, just having it to scope it properly. That is so true. And you're not like burning yourself out over a weekend to do it. Absolutely agree.
Who's this?
It's Nick talking about the game jams. So you can approach it like a 48-hour jam, just spend it in 7 days instead. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Spiff and Brit also does things like that. Yeah, I really like Spiff and Brit. He's good content creator.
You've been having less YouTube time of late.
Yes. Less everything time of late. I actually, I was like on trip, was it 2 days ago? And I was like, Claire, I got a confession to make. I have a gaming problem. I don't play enough games.
And I was like, okay, she's like, I'm gonna fit in more time to play games.
How can I find more time to play games?
It's like, I don't think we have enough time in the day.
I need my days to be longer.
48-hour days.
Yeah, not working out.
Let's not have 24 anymore. Karen agrees. I mean, especially since you can control the sun now in the game.
Oh yes.
Sure.
Absolutely, that's a good point, Claire.
Oh, he has found the blue mini monkey. Blue mini monkey has made his day. Oh, he's so lovely.
I don't know. I was thinking maybe we could have a second path up here, so it's like continues along the shore. That one feels a bit weird now. Not sure. I'm not digging that.
You keeping up with the chat, Krister?
Am I keeping up with the chat? You asked me in chat. Am I keeping up with you guys?
Oh, whoa, that was a load of milk extra. Oi, oi, oi. I think we don't have a carpet anymore.
Is that carpet turned white?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh. Okay, that's better. So, I've been watching streams while I work to kind of do both, yeah. But it's a bit hard to play games while you work.
Yeah. Yeah,
just,
unless you're playing all those idle games, you know?
Yeah, cookie
That
clicker.
works fine.
A smooth 96-hour days would be lovely to catch up on some stuff, yeah. 96 hours, like, he doesn't want like 48 or anything like, or 30-hour days. You want 96-hour days.
96 hours. Well, that's quite a nice number.
If I didn't have to sleep, I would get so much work done. Yeah, you burn out real fast. Feel that, I tried it. Didn't work out.
Moritz, do you want to go on dog cam?
Oh, is that dog cam feeling a bit lonely?
Moritz. Hey.
Hello, Winky.
Moritz, do you want to go to dog cam? Oh, I wasn't doing anything wrong. I was told not to on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna ruin dog cam. There you go. Dog cam ruined. See, no one wants to see me. No, everyone just see me shake. Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm going into the dog bed. It's fine. I'm here. Hello, guys. There's not been enough treat distribution today. Why are you guys streaming on YouTube while I don't have any treats? This is unacceptable. Treats need to be issued.
Afternoon, Frozen Well. Welcome. Hope you're doing well, Richard. Nice having you here in the Snuti YouTube stream today. As you can see, we have a bit of a broken setup. We have an unworking chat on the screen. And yeah, we're missing Claire. She's currently baby gymming.
I'm baby gymming.
But
I'm baby gymming.
She's baby gymming. Other than that, we are doing really well and having a lot of fun doing our work today here in Snuti HQ. So hoping you're having a lovely day as well. How's YouTube streaming going? It's going. That's what it is. But it's going really well because you guys are here. Thank you so much for hanging out. It's really lovely. Hello, this is the first YouTube. Yes, it is. Tohead. I don't know if I say your name correctly, but I remember your username and profile picture. I've seen you around.
A little intern says hello.
Welcome to the Snuti stream. And for those who are just joining in, you might not have heard it, but we're working on the ice cream game called Sunday Sailing. And here's the pitch.
Imagine Zelda exploration and cooking meets the ice cream boat. An ice cream cooking and maritime exploration game where you have a boat, an ice cream machine, and a dream.
Yeah. So that's pitch. That's the express delivery of it. It goes a little bit fast. I don't know if we quite capture it, but yeah, it was a funny one. That's actually just the first quarter of the real pitch. It's a bit long.
Yeah, it needs to be longer for until the lid turn.
Yeah. But in our latest video here on YouTube, you will see the proper pitch and more about the game for the full story. But feel free to ask us any questions if you have any. And
Such a cheeky little
yeah, that's an amazing elevator pitch.
Hello.
Imagine a Zelda exploration and cooking meets the ice cream boat. A cooking maritime ice cream. I don't know. How does it? Yeah, I need to practice it apparently. We really need to practice it.
And this is speed up version, you know.
I did get to practice Mr. Pip's pitch a lot, and that really helped. I was really easy to deliver that pitch when I'd said it so many times. But the game just got a name today, which is Sunday Sailing. For those who haven't caught the name, Sunday Sailing is now the official name. I'm very satisfied with that.
Destroy the baby Jim.
And that was suggested by a community member, Bizmaster.
Yeah,
I have
the tar baby.
I have an NVIDIA RTX on moisture removal, but I don't know if it's catching that baby sounds.
Yeah, probably catching some of it. Yeah, caught it.
This is starting to look a little bit more alive, I think.
Missy ice cream. Oh, Missy ice cream.
That's one thing. I only used one piece of rock for all of this. I didn't think about I needed different rock meshes for anything. I'll have like a little brief here.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ooh. Nom, 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 nom. Yeah.
RTX voice is doing nothing. All right.
Okay.
Do you have it on? Yes, I have it on, and I have it on 50% strength. Oh, maybe I don't have it as an input.
Oh, maybe. Maybe.
Didn't think about that. To fix that right now, I would have to. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna fix that.
I can take him into the other room and experience.
No, it's fine. Give me 5 seconds. I'm gonna disappear from the screen, and then I'll be back in a little bit.
Oh, you are.
I just gotta click around a bit.
Do you want to pick it up? There you go. Yeah. Let's go pick it up. Get it, one. Yeah. Do you want to be on the ice cream boat too? Yeah, I know you do. Everybody wants to be on the ice cream boat. The ice cream boat is the best place ever. Yeah.
Always using magic numbers.
Numbers. No variable.
Just numbers.
Never mind, that didn't work. I lost all sound apparently, according to the input. So we'll have to fix that another time. But at least the clip worked. That was unintentional, as I was trying to say. I was thinking the same thing. Yep. Thank you for the warning, Nick. I realized that the mic wasn't working at least. I'll have to look at it another time. We'll be running without the RTX voice today.
Yeah. He is actually starting to get sleepy.
Yeah, he was supposed to sleep, wasn't he?
He was supposed to sleep, so.
And we can hear that. Should I lull him to sleep, should I?
I can hold him to sleep more.
Okay.
I'll take him into the room and see where he wants to go to sleep.
Because if you want as well, we can wrap up the stream if you feel that's more appropriate.
If you actually turn on photo, then he can come and see, because I think he's upset he can't see.
Ah, you want to participate?
Yeah. Gonna go for him now?
Yes.
Here you go. Yeah.
Welcome to Snuti stream.
Yeah, because he gets upset like when he doesn't manage to see stuff sometimes, and he wants to see what his daddy is up to and his mummy is up to.
Yeah, if you're messing over, put the text label on the broken chat overlay front. You know, yes, I agree, Nick. I just don't gonna spend time on it. Next stream, we'll have it working.
Next stream.
It'll be.
Yeah, I said to Chris this morning, yeah, you should probably focus on trying to fix everything for the stream. And Chris was like, yeah, sure.
It's
And then he
working.
got distracted by emails, so.
Well, and everything else in life, but.
And everything else in life.
Yeah.
You guys inspired me to do a cat cam for my stream. Oh, that is so neat.
Yes. Are you going to be streaming on Twitch or YouTube? Let me come and follow you.
Let us know in the chat.
Send me a link because I can't seem to click your username.
Pet cams are awesome.
Yes, they are the
Yes,
best.
they are, Nick. We totally agree. Winky's a bit
Snoozy.
snoozy today.
Every
Could
day.
just get a treat and then she'll be happy. Okay, Winky, I'm gonna go get a treat. Be right back.
Be right back, you.
Let's go get treats, Ryan. Yeah. Okay. Winky will be so happy about treats.
Little ocean path going down there. Little entrance here. Little exit there. Not like weird path here. I feel like it's a bit narrow there. Still.
Oh, we have a very happy Winky. We have a stretcher wink. Morris, you want to come and have a treat? Oh, Morris doesn't want a treat. Okay, Winky can get a treat. Yeah. Yeah. Do you get a treat? Yeah. Oh, Mew, look what you does that with your mouth. Oh, it's so cute.
Such a kitty. Let's just appreciate Doggo Cam.
Oh, Mew, she's got a tongue like stuck out of it. Yeah. You want another treat? Because you look so cute, Winky. How to get a fat chihuahua. Live stream. Such a good girl. Yeah. Oh, she didn't know what you're doing again.
These rocks are starting to look a little bit samey, maybe.
You can just add a new texture on them, probably.
Yeah.
Oh, Winky's so cute.
How's that looking, Claire?
That is looking sweet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Try to make a little ocean path going down here. And a little ocean path up here. And then 2 other entrances here. Do you want to take a seat?
He lost in game. Time games. He does Twitch at 1 p.m. EST on Saturdays.
Okay.
That's super awesome.
I guess you meant on YouTube then.
No, Twitch, you said, didn't he?
On Twitch.
Did he say Twitch? I don't know. What is it? Yeah, Twitch.
Sorry, Twitch. But what's your Twitch then?
Let's try that.
That was not the right username. I
Just search there.
I tried to just write Lost in Time Games.
You can link your Twitch, Lost in Time Games. Versus says YouTube live tends to be a pain, other YouTubers have said.
Oh, sorry, I missed that chat. Does it block the... Oh, apparently it did block the Twitch link.
Oh, did
Stream
it?
settings, stream health. That stream is
settings,
healthy.
maybe? Not sure if you can post links.
Alright.
Oh,
I don't see any way where we can control it neither. Participants, pop-out chat, toggle
I posted a link
timestamp.
before as well.
Okay, thank you for doing it that way. That worked. Here we go.
Ew.
Got it. Very nice. Cheerios. But that's strange.
That sucks about that.
I
maybe
agree.
it's in stream settings, maybe?
I agree with Esther now.
Yeah.
Streaming on YouTube.
Oh, stream settings.
Where's
Bottom
that?
left, down, left, up. There you go.
Yeah.
There. If you go on there, does it have anything? Closed captions? No.
That's no settings about that.
Huh. Okay. Because at least Twitch allows you to control that.
If you mod me, I can check if there's some moderation in Q. How do I even mod you, Nick? I don't know how
I
to.
think we're gonna have to find out afterwards and figure this out.
I was thinking I can do something with you. If I click here, pin message, put user in time, hide.
Add moderator. There you go.
Ah, I modded Nick.
Yeah, we have no idea what we're doing on YouTube.
Nick also mods our Twitch chat, so
and he's also modded in our Discord server.
and our Discord server, yeah.
The dots at the end, I think. Yeah.
What do you mean?
How to add as a mod. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Cute little baby. Yeah.
Yeah. Our intern likes to smile a lot.
Oh yes.
Enjoys that.
Hello.
Oh.
I'm really satisfied with these bushes I made in Houdini.
Yeah, they look really neat.
Yeah?
We've been using Houdini to do quite a lot of the trees and the land
Yeah.
management and whatnot.
Z's working on a system for us to make terrains in Houdini. Obviously, this terrain was actually made in Affinity Designer with a height map made there, and then I just stamped that into Unity and worked from there. But we want to have it a bit more of a authored process where you have a non-destructive workflow, and that's when Houdini comes in to kind of do the similar thing. A bit of a.
Oops! Don't squirm so much.
Yeah. I see error on the console. Yeah, that's one of the.
This one keeps coming up all the time, and we don't know why.
I don't know if it's related to Houdini or some type of plugin or
But
something.
it's an editor window that it keeps coming up with.
Yeah. It's not an error from us. It's a generic menu, catch menu in the Unity editor.
Sometimes I love the errors from Unity when they're sort of like random like that. Like, oh, okay.
Yeah. Let's not worry about that. Okay. Oh, he's sucking his thumb. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah. So cute when he sucks his thumb.
He never
He's
wanted
just like
it.
watching. He loves just watching what we're doing. He finds it really fascinating. He gets upset when he doesn't get to see.
Here we go.
Oh, you put a little beach ball. I didn't realize you put a beach ball in as well.
Actually, so far I just duplicated everything which was on the other stream.
Oh, okay. I didn't know there was a beach ball in the other area.
And over here, and I just left the placement. I just put them onto the ground. That's all I've done, really.
Carlin approves. But he thinks it's not enough sound effects.
Oh, is he
Oh,
sleepy?
it's Liliorn. It's Liliorn. Oh, you're so cute. It's okay.
Oh, this is starting to shape up.
Oh, it's looking snazzy. It's actually looking like an island. A
Yes.
prototype island, but at least an island.
Yeah, I kind of like these little pathways here.
Maybe we could, just color it a bit in grey to make it look like a nice path, but
We don't have enough pixels.
moderation tools for YouTube are very limited.
Yeah, you've been exploring them now, have you?
It's not the same as Twitch, I guess, so there's a lot of options.
Yeah, because I mean, okay, what I got on screen here, this is nothing private here. I can show this on screen.
No, okay.
And I mean, there's very little options here. Enables me to do anything really. But we'll learn. We'll see. Maybe there's things we haven't figured out yet.
So it's like timeouts, user, remove messages, hide user from channel, other stuff all goes into YouTube Studio, and only the channel owner can access that. Okay.
Thanks for having a
Would you
look, Nick.
guys snooty while I work? Hello.
Hey,
Renee.
Rob, welcome.
doing?
See, we're here on YouTube now, streaming for a little bit.
Just imagine that our image is animated and we're waving.
Yeah, that's what's actually happening. So, hope you're doing well and your family's good and having a nice work day or whichever Wednesday you're having for yourself.
I'm pretty much covered in milk, but
You're covered in milk?
Yep. In the community tab, you get some settings in the YouTube Studio.
That's kind of neat, but that's probably not realistic at all.
Not really. That's the I'm gonna go to sleep very soon sound.
Should I do it so you don't break your back?
Oh, I'm not breaking my back. Like the image, but with more fatigue. Well, I had some extra sleep this morning, so I'm less fatigued and. But actually, he's been sleeping quite well the last few days. So.
I feel relatively rested to be
Me
an
too,
parent of a 4-month-old. And I'm up most days at like 6 a.m. to just start working, and I do. I feel energized to do it. Takes
Yeah,
like,
and I ended up going back to sleep around 8 and woke up at 10, and I didn't realise that there was little
baby also sleeping.
baby also sleeping with me.
I've been a good dad, done my dad thing. Why do you need more than one bush? All of this is one rock and one bush.
Looks unique, man.
It does not look like repetition, right?
No.
Also, I made lots of other bushes as well. Like we have this bush. Oh, he's sleeping, isn't he?
Yeah. I can try and put him in the bedroom.
Okay, we can do a be right back, guys.
We'll do be right back.
I believe the baby might be sleeping. So. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
You can't like rush it.
No,
hopefully
you
I didn't. Hopefully I didn't rush it too much.
Don't think you rushed it. I think it's fine.
Yes. Yeah, it's really funny because we have this playback here, but it jumps behind.
Oh, oops.
Yeah. Anyway, so
Um,
do we miss out on chat?
no, not that much. Sounds like you're doing great. Good job on being good for now, Micro Snuti. Yeah. Oh, Nick said goodbye. Oh, we didn't see that. Oh.
Had to have a good
Nick.
mice. I'm afraid I'll have to go home and join the rest of the family. Okay, have a good time, Nick.
Bye, Nick, if you're watching later. That baby squeak is making me so broody. Maybe you could add grass on the island.
Yes, we really need grass.
We really need grass. You do really need grass.
Actually, my plan is I can show the grass plan. It's just I've had this grass plan open for, yeah,
I don't know, like weeks.
2-3 weeks. This. And
Basically.
I'll get around to it.
We'll get around to it.
So the plan is
It's
here.
an hour long. Well, okay. I didn't realize it was that long.
Yeah, but it's
and now-
I'm not gonna probably gonna do it like this, but I'm just gonna take some inspiration for how he set up the cards, in terms of. Yeah, I think
super
he
neat,
sets them up in a special pattern like that, so they look nice and scattered.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I'm gonna explore some more of that. Yeah, here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Setting up this type of grass card, and then be able to scatter that in the
Oh,
world.
that's super neat.
But we'll see. For now, there is a grassless world. That looks squished.
That does look very squished. You sure you haven't squished it?
It's scaled.
Oh, that's fine.
Yep,
That's
it was squished. This one also looks squished. How's it? Why do they have scale in the y-axis? That's uniform.
But yeah, it's a good idea. We are going to put grass because it's going to look super neat, and we really, really like the grass in Genshin Impact.
Oh, that's good.
That grass looks amazing.
I mean, which is always inspired again by Zelda Breath of the Wild, which the entire game visuals is based off, except it's a bit more modern and newer because it's a newer game.
Yeah.
And our game is going to be even newer and even moderner
Yes.
because we have a team of 2 Snutis and a Z,
Yes, and a Z. And a shark, yes.
not 400 employees, but whichever. We'll make a...
That's some fancy stream transitions and be right back stream songs.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you. All of the stream songs are actually from Stream Beats.
Yes.
And the transitions Krister has made in After Effects. So,
Yeah.
but Krister has a lot of experience with After Effects for many, many years. So, yeah.
It's a lot of fun to work with After Effects that way. Who said this?
Lost in Time Games.
Ah, right.
And he said he was going to try hook up a cat cam for my next stream. Too busy though to make any more fancy stuff.
Hey, you know what? We usually stream on Twitch, and we've been doing that for quite a long time. This is our very first YouTube stream, and
Yes.
our Twitch streams are a little bit more professional than this.
That is true. That is true.
And
also as well as our
it's a bit like
original-
this today. We're doing great. But today we're skating on sunshine. Whoa. Yeah.
Pretty much.
What we have
He's a
now.
bit flippy. Chris just wants to use everything.
Party board.
Party
Yeah, I miss them. It's been so long.
Yeah, it's been so long. The cat cam would be really cool. Looking forward to seeing that.
Yes.
I'd like to try streaming at one point, although I rarely get a break in my schedule. You can always make time for it. Make time in your schedule. Stream early in the morning, 8 o'clock, like we used to do. Which we don't do anymore because baby's awake by then. So
it's more like 9:30.
9:30, yeah. Chevrolet. I started it because of Snuti's video on stream, and it's hard to think deep on stream though. Yeah, we sometimes do like quite a lot of the deep thinking like off stream, and then
Which is why you can see I'm not working on gameplay right now. I'm just
No.
working on
placement of stuff. And
Yeah. things that I can do while actually having my mind elsewhere.
Is this going to be a regular thing, afternoon streams? We're just experimenting a little bit. We actually wanted to do it early this morning at 9:30, but
I think afternoon stream is a good idea
Yeah.
though.
but our little intern hasn't quite got a routine in the afternoon, so it's a bit all over the place. And we were talking to Deagle earlier on at 2 o'clock, which is normally the time that the little intern wants to go to bed. And yeah, well, he woke up as soon as we started streaming, so
Sleep for 5 minutes.
sleep for 5 minutes. But yeah, we're hoping to stream a little bit. We're going to be mostly continuing our Twitch streams every Saturday, and we want to do an extra Twitch stream in the week but we're gonna see how things are.
As well as
we
YouTube
go.
stream.
Yeah, and then when YouTube stream.
All the streams.
Yes. By the way, the name is inspired. Thank you, Rob. That grass looks cute. You plan to use shader for the grass?
That's all, like we done a lot of research. I have not concluded on how to do it.
We obviously just want to like generate it with Houdini, but we just don't know more about it.
Yeah, how the placement's gonna work. We plan to have the entire island, a lot of it automated, like inspired by Far Cry. If we go back in Snuti land to there's a lot of stuff going on there. Useful resources. Back here, this is quite a few weeks ago.
Oh wow, okay.
But it was so good. Here.
Oh yeah, the
Impressive.
Far Cry 5.
Yeah, this is 9th of February. How Far Cry automated their level generation using Houdini. We saw that I was on Vimeo. But basically, a lot of their tooling works around that the world is generated and then the artist can override the different inputs in order to, control different things.
Just putting that down so it doesn't.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys could hear that or not. I didn't hear it at least.
There you go, I think. There you go.
Yeah.
Split this. And wow, what a time to look away from the monitor on stream.
Well, what's happening?
I think that was from earlier on.
Oh yeah.
I think that's a good idea. It helps my afternoons go quicker anyway. Oh.
Yes. Need more trees.
We wanted to stream a little bit more, but obviously trying to fit it around the baby has been a little bit complicated. But since we've just been like streaming the last few weeks, we've just been like, yeah, whatever. We're just gonna have to stream and then put a picture on when, he needs to come on or anything. So.
Yep, that's why we're doing it.
Yes, that's one big tree.
I'm quite satisfied with it. These roots here are generated as well as part of the mesh in like.
But do they need to go that far down into the ground? It's not just going to be wasted mesh in a way?
A little bit, but it depends on the terrain. Sometimes it's in a slope, so you need it.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And in some places you don't.
Yeah, so it's a bit like that.
I'm always looking at the wrong camera. I'm always looking at the one down there, not the one up there.
Yeah, but talking about wasted mesh, this is wasted mesh.
Hello, wasted mesh.
Hello, wasted mesh. So much.
Yeah, that's how we're going to make our... Yeah, it's different.
This is the prototype, and that's the sky.
That's the sky. Hello, sky. I think you guys are doing amazingly well.
Thank you. It's nice to hear that. Encouraging words. You need that sometimes.
Yes.
These majestic trees. Big oaks or something.
What was the more? It's okay. Big oaks.
Professor Oak would be proud.
I said oats instead of oak. I'm not sure why. It's lots of oats. Ooh. Oh, did you switch to YouTube? Hi, Timmy. We're just experimenting a bit with YouTube.
We haven't switched. And as you can see, we have a broken chat. And our setup isn't working completely.
No. But we're still doing Twitch. We're just experimenting with YouTube because a lot of people wanted us to come and stream on YouTube as well.
Yes.
So we have an absolute disaster today. But it's going great. Yeah.
And secretly, we want to up our watch hours on YouTube.
I thought that's what Nick said at the beginning. He was like,
Yeah, because, we actually got quite close to monetization, but then it's going back down again because we're not producing enough YouTube content, and I don't have time to do it. I was like, how are we going to solve this? Let's start streaming there. Because one thing we can do, we can set aside more time for streaming. I don't have that much more time to set aside for making edited videos.
Basically, the video we published on Monday, we recorded it in like 20 minutes on Sunday and then edited it for about 2-3 hours afterwards. And that was a fast edit. So, yeah.
That was really efficient production. But still a lot of work.
We kind of finished everything and then we were just like, the baby started crying. We're like, no, okay, fine. And Chris was like, okay, let's just try and record the pitch again. I'll just have him, sleep on my shoulder. And that worked great.
And if you haven't caught the pitch yet, here it is.
Imagine self-exploration and cooking meets the ice cream boat. An ice cream cooking and maritime exploration game where you have a boat, an ice cream machine, and a dream.
Oh, I was saying game at the end. It said dream. I'm not sure why.
I had dream.
Yeah, no, I just,
You hear it wrong.
I know, I keep saying it wrong every now and again. It's noon for me. So it's not the middle of the night, Timmy. That's good.
Exactly.
Yes.
Timmy, I'm streaming especially during these hours just for you.
Well, and for other people. As
For everyone else.
Frozen Wild, I found it's good for upping the watch hours. So with your larger number of subscribers, it should have an even bigger effect for you.
Yeah, so I was thinking that was a good idea. Also, a lot of people who don't watch Twitch just don't watch Twitch.
Yeah.
In a way, like, this is a different audience, isn't it?
Yeah, and there's like also some of our friends and family, they're more likely to watch YouTube than they are to watch Twitch.
And we really want our friends and family to watch.
Yeah. Oh, Winky's coming back in the bed.
Oh, yes.
Hello, Winky.
Hello.
We need the dog cam to be a bit more intimate, like zoom in on the wink.
Yeah, zoom in on me.
The only thing that sucks about YouTube is the fact you don't have the custom emojis.
Yes.
And you don't have redeemable like doggo treats and doggo cuddles and subscribers and yeah. That's why we still have to stream on Twitch.
So if you guys want any doggo treats delivered or doggo cuddles, you just have to type it in chat.
Yeah.
So when we stream on Twitch usually, if you've never seen us there, we have channel points which you can redeem for these events.
For doggo cuddles. And then everyone who subscribes gets a doggo treat for the doggos.
And we even have a special button to enable emoji only chat.
Yes.
Which is fun.
Which we don't use very often. But
No,
yeah,
we should use it more.
we should use it more. We like seeing all the emojis coming up. It's like, I don't know, like, I don't think YouTube has the same.
No, it just doesn't.
No.
But it has other perks.
That it does. And hello!
Hey, Seaver! I'm Seaver. Hello,
Hi.
Seaver.
Hello and welcome to the stream.
Seaver Øygården. Sounds a bit like, but it sounds familiar. It's like friend of my cousin or something. The name is ringing some bells, it's just I'm not sure which bells are ringing.
I've just liked the stream, so I think the doggos need a snuggles.
Yes.
They
Indeed.
are norske.
Yes, we are Norwegian. Norska. That's how we roll.
So they need doggo snuggles. Okay, well, doggo snuggles is required, so I'm gonna go do doggo snuggles. Can you switch over to the
The
doggo
doggo cam.
snuggle?
Moritz? Moritz, you wanna come?
It's doggo snuggles.
Just gonna fetch the dogs.
Yeah, hi. Okay.
Yeah, nine speaking Norwegian. I don't think that's quite how it goes in Norwegian, Timmy, but good attempt. I'm proud of you.
Oh, Mars really wants a cuddle today. Yeah.
You want one too, Winky? Now on treats. On treats.
Oh, you're such a good boy. Yeah. You really want snuggles today, huh?
Oh, it's one of our local fans here in our local area that we meet on Trip with the Dogs. That's so cool. Thank you for joining in on our live stream as well. As you can see, we're busy making our game. And right now,
Snuggling the dogs.
snuggling the dogs.
Oh, Maurice, you're so beautiful today.
That's cool. And we love being cheered on when we're out walking the dogs. Really appreciate the love and attention. So it's fun being a local mini celebrity here in the local area.
Winky's impressed about the lekker snuggles. Yeah, you want snuggles.
It looks like she's coming out of his butt.
Yeah, no, well, thing.
It's warm. Yeah, it's certainly warm. I think we've done quite a lot of progress today.
We have.
I mean, look at this beach was empty when we started this morning. Or this morning,
We're
this
just trying.
afternoon.
This afternoon.
There was
Chris is
nothing
not
here.
used to this.
Oh,
No, wrong one.
sorry.
Stop. There you go.
I'm talking about what I'm seeing here, but obviously you guys are not seeing it. I was saying that this entire area was empty earlier.
Well, that's because you duplicated it.
I've been busy working
Well,
here.
you duplicated a bit of it.
Look at the nice beach and the shore.